Okay, dumako na po tayo sa ating second topic. Open, eto na po. Open, ready, and eager for business, Marcos PH as a global digital hub. Ayan na po. Wala pong ibang presidente o katulad ni BBM na siya po ang nag-i-endorse ng mga modern ways dito po sa ating bansa. Di ba nakita niyo po ang bagong eGov PH? Binigay ng presidente yan. Diyan sa eGov PH po magkakaroon kayo ng mga inquiries diyan sa mga government agency. Ang si BBM po ang nag-ano niyan. Si BBM po ang nag-endorse sa atin yan. At maraming iba't iba pa na ini-endorse ni BBM tulad ng mga AI, pinuntahan niya po yan, di ba? Yeah, yeah. Kaya ngayon, ang sabi po ni BBM, open, ready, and eager for business, Marcos Peaches PH as a global digital hub. Kumbaga dito po nagtatawag po ang ating presidente na pwede pong mag-invest sa PH ukol po sa modern technology o global digital hub na sobra pong nauuso ngayon, katulad ng AI, katulad ng mga different kinds of high-tech na cellphone, different kinds of high-tech technology. You are welcome to the Philippines, Mother Father. Okay, basahin natin ang article. President Ferdinand Marcos made a renewed pitch for foreign investor to look to the Philippines as their next growth hub. Ayan na, next growth hub. Ino-offer po ng presidente ang ating Pilipinas para sa mga foreign investor. Na huwag kayong mahiya mag-invest sa Pilipinas at sigurado po kayo na ang investment nyo sa Pilipinas ay magiging matagumpay dahil malinis na po dito, wala nang demonyong mga Duterte. Wala na po sila. Malinis na dito. Ang presidente natin ay may busilak na puso, ngunit may pangil ng dragon. Diba? Ganun si BBM eh. Para siyang dragon. Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka bubugaan. Diba? Kita mo, binugaan si Digong. Sunog na sunog, hindi na makaahon. Hayop ka. Naalala ko tuloy yung girlfriend ko. Lagi kong binubugaan. Touting sweeping reforms, digital transformation efforts, and a young skilled workforce as a pillars of an opportunity-driven Asia-Pacific. Addressing top executives and policymakers as the APEC CEO Summit in Gwangju, South Korea, Friday, Marcos said his administration is positioning the country as invitation-led economy through infrastructure modernization, artificial intelligence, and education reforms that prepare Filipinos for digital age. Ayan po, ang presidente po ay binubuka, okay? Binubuka po ang ating bansa. Parang ang sagwa, no? Parang ang sagwa naman ng binubuka. Binubuksan, ayan, binubuksan ha. Binubuksan ang ating bansa na para sa mga foreign investor na sinasabi na pwede po kayong mag-invest dito ng mga infrastructure, modernization, AI, adoption, and education reforms. Welcome po kayo dito mga foreign investor. Okay? I will talk to the foreign investor. Wait.
Nangangamoy, 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 nangangamoy.
To my beloved foreign investor, we welcome you to our country that sometimes we have been crushed and really molested by the past administration, which is the Duterte. But this one I promise you, okay? This one I promise you. When visions surround you, when tears in your eyes, and all that surrounds you is secrets and light. I'll give you hope. I'll give you love, keeping you safe in it all. And all the stars is finally begun. Yeah, do you hear that, my foreign investor? Okay? When visions surround you, we are here. Okay? When tears in your eyes, we are here. The President Bongbong Marcos and the Filipino. We give you hope. I'll give you hope. Bibigyan namin kayo ng pag-asa, foreign investor. Okay? Just trust our economy. Because our economy right now is going up. Not like the past administration. Okay? We are leaking the balls of Xi Jinping. Okay, but now for an investor, we are open for everybody. Okay? We are like a woman in the club. We are open for everybody. So don't hesitate, okay? Don't hesitate to invest in the country that is really okay, do you see? I just sample you for an investor. Here, very high tech. You see? I can hide. You can also hide. Okay? Okay, do you see me? I immediately hide for an investor. Okay? That's the technology here. You can hide. You see, the internet is very fast in the Philippines. Okay?